If you've had trouble getting onto Google Classroom, it's likely because you're not signed in with your school email address. When you're on Google Chrome, to check who you're signed in as, you click this button up here. For mine it's an E because of my name, but for yours it might be a different symbol, but it's that circle. Click on it and it tells you who you're signed in as. If it's not your school email address, click on Add down here. It lets you choose a nice picture for yourself. Maybe you want to call it Churchill and click Add. And then sign in using your school email address in there. The password that you use is your school password, like you logging onto Insight or something. That's if you're using Chrome. If you're using a different internet browser other than Google Chrome, like Internet Explorer here, if anything, it's a little bit easier. If we go to classroom.google.com, that's the address. Go to Classroom. Then it lets us sign in and again use your school email address and school password there. Maybe if you really can't get it to work with one browser, try Internet Explorer, try a different browser instead. Hopefully that'll work for you.